Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to schedule your post on WordPress website. Why would you want to know how to schedule your post on WordPress website? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to schedule your post on WordPress website. So today I am going to show you how to schedule your post on WordPress website. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Scheduling your post on WordPress website is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will schedule your post on WordPress website. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to post in the left menu and then click on add new. Now in this page, first add your post and then click on summary in the right menu and then click on immediately. Now first select your time and then click on schedule in the top right corner and your post has been scheduled. So there you go. If you were wondering how to schedule your post on WordPress website, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.